Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create bank account in Zoho Books. So, all you have to do is head over to books.zoho.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Banking. Then, start by clicking on Connect Bank or Credit Card. So, from here, you can start by clicking on Connect Now. And of course, make sure that you agree to terms of agreement, then proceed. So from here, you can start searching for your bank name. And if it appears on the list, you can connect to it directly. But if not, you can just head over and click on Add Account. So from here, you're going to need to manually add details regarding your bank. Of course, make sure that you select bank and also add in account name. So there's a note here that says the account name should be the name you've given, the same with your bank account. Also make sure that you add in account code and that the currency is correct. You can choose from the drop down menu. Also add in your account number and the name of your bank. Also bank identifier code and description if applicable. You also have an option to make this your primary bank account. Then once done, just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!